Here is an overview of some of the most profitable YouTube niches. 1. Gaming. Gaming remains one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. With millions of gamers worldwide, channels focused on gameplay, walkthroughs, reviews, and tutorials can attract significant viewership. Additionally, sponsored content, merchandise sales, and partnerships with gaming companies offer lucrative opportunities for monetization. 2. Beauty and fashion. Beauty and fashion influencers have a massive audience on YouTube. Makeup tutorials, skincare routines, fashion hauls, and styling tips are highly sought-after content. Brands often collaborate with beauty YouTubers for sponsored videos, product reviews, and affiliate marketing, making it a profitable niche. 3. Personal finance and investing. Channels dedicated to personal finance, investing advice, and money management attract viewers seeking financial literacy and wealth-building strategies. Affiliate marketing with financial products, sponsored content from financial institutions, and online course sales are common revenue streams in this niche. 4. Health and fitness. With a growing interest in health and wellness, YouTube channels focusing on fitness routines, workout plans, healthy recipes, and wellness tips have a dedicated audience. Fitness influencers often collaborate with brands for sponsored content, promote fitness products, and offer online coaching services. 5. Technology reviews and tutorials. Tech enthusiasts flock to YouTube for reviews, unboxings, and tutorials on the latest gadgets, software, and tech accessories. Channels covering smartphones, laptops, cameras, and other consumer electronics can monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and advertising revenue. 6. Travel and adventure. Travel vlogs, destination guides, and adventure videos appeal to wanderlust-driven audiences. Travel influencers often partner with tourism boards, airlines, and hotels for sponsored trips, accommodations, and experiences. Additionally, affiliate marketing through travel gear and booking platforms can generate income. 7. Food and cooking. Food-related content, including recipe tutorials, cooking challenges, and restaurant reviews, has a broad appeal on YouTube. Food influencers collaborate with brands for sponsored content, promote kitchen gadgets and cooking products, and may monetize through ad revenue and affiliate marketing. 8. Lifestyle and personal development. Lifestyle YouTubers cover a wide range of topics, including self-improvement, productivity, relationships, and daily routines. Sponsored content partnerships with lifestyle brands, affiliate marketing for books and courses, and advertising revenue contribute to monetization in this niche. 9. Parenting and family. Parenting advice, family vlogs, and educational content for children attract parents seeking guidance and entertainment. Parenting influencers collaborate with brands for sponsored content, promote family-friendly products, and may offer parenting courses or coaching services. 10. Education and learning. Educational channels covering topics such as language learning, academic tutoring, DIY projects, and skill development have a dedicated audience. Revenue streams include ad revenue, sponsored content from educational platforms, and sales of online courses or digital products. These are just a few examples of profitable YouTube niches, but success ultimately depends on creating engaging content, building a loyal audience, and leveraging multiple monetization strategies effectively. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on such content. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on such content.